Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this water cup on NX. Okay, let's start. First we need use reveal, then select YZ play, sketch, create a line, and next we need create spanner, tangent, change slow point. Okay. Make dimension. $5 mm. Tangent. $22. $60. Delete point. Finish. Select Z. Okay. Next we need to use shell. 2 mm. Okay. Okay, next we need to use surface and offset surface. Select single face. Select this face and offset 0. Okay, nice. Next we need a sketch on YZ plane. Sorry. YZ plane and create a spanner. 2, 3. Okay. Finish. Next, create a new sketch on path. Select okay. Create a eraser. 6, 5 mm. Okay. Finish. Next we need to use a sculptor and sketch it to get to the spanner. Okay. Next we need trim the body, select the body and select the offset surface. Okay, nice. Next, we need to use partner geometry. Select the partner geometry. Toy. Okay. Then we need unit or the body. Edge blend 0.5. Okay, hide the offset surface. Next, we need to create a line from the origin and the distance 60. Okay. Surface and use global shaping. We need to select a bytecode. Select face, body face, and the basis code. Select the line, revolve direction, and the contour line. Select the line, direction. We need to start with the angle to finish. Liner 6 and 90. Okay. Nice. The last we need a face blend. Select a 3 face. Single face, face 2, okay, change the place. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.